Me, Anand Vijay. In this video lecture, we have started the last chapter, Internet Services for Class 6 in the computer subject. Here we have defined the notes. This notes is helpful also with your upcoming exam, that is the final annual exam, but it can be defined in own term that you easily understand. Okay, it's not a complete bookish language. So we have it's this chapter is the complete theoretical manner we have discussed in this video lecture. Basically, we start with the definitions of internet. What is internet? Internet is the network that globally connected the millions of computers worldwide to share resources with each other anywhere, anytime in the frequent manner. That means what? Which today our routine life will be captured by the internet. If any kind of things we have know about that, we can move through the internet. And that internet avail the services that can be provide the information, and it can be globally shared from the one smartphone to another smartphone, one computer to another computer, like a desktop or a laptop, whatever the computing devices we can use access the internet. By accessing internet we can gather the information and we can share the information. This is the strength of our daily way routine, and you can find out through the internet we can perform all kinds of operation. Last year the corona effect, we can conduct the online classes by using the Zoom and the smartphone or using desktop. How it is possible through the internet? If internet is not available, then we cannot imagine to conduct the online classes. So in the daily routine you can perform the any kinds of work, like you can downloading any games, you can watch any movies, or listening song. How? Through the internet. If you have know about the any particular topic information or a topic, what the actual means of that, you can move on to the internet and find out the related information. So internet is our backbone of life today, and anytime anywhere from the any kind of computing devices you can access and avail the services of internet. Okay, then there is the history. What is the history? How it is birth of internet? You can find out the history of internet begin with the ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, in the USA part, in the Pennsylvania defense of the Pennsylvania, under the USA country. The first ARPA, the project agency, is launched in year of 1969. That means what? When the Neil Armstrong first step onto the moon, and after that whatever the data is generated and how it can be shared to the defense or military purpose. So internet will start with the ARPA. Later ARPA is designed a network which are available to exchange and share their data between the four computers, and this network is called ARPA net. The full form is very important, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later ARPA net is called Internet. Okay, so ARPA, we start with the birth of internet, start with the ARPA, and ARPA is able to connect the four different computers to share the information, that is called ARPANET. Gradually, it can be defined and termed as the internet, and now we can avail this services, and it is the backbone of any country. In India, it can be started on the 15th August 1995 by the VSNL, that is the Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Gradually, there are the different telecom companies who are invested there and provide the services to the user or a customer, that is the BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, that are the populace that provide the internet services to the telecom sector, and we can avail these services in India right now and use the internet. That's all for in this video lecture. In the next video lecture we have start the internet services, how it can be start. Thank you and have a good day.